Hi guys, my name is Mike Walker and I work here at Allendale Insurance Agency. Today we're going to get into a video series that we are designing to help make your insurance work better for you. The dilemma for Danny, Michaela, and myself though, was how to talk about insurance so that it's interesting enough that you, the viewer, will want to pay attention. We know that insurance is and always will be a boring topic, but we can control the setting, so let's get out of this office. Okay, like the video said, today we're out here talking about collision coverage, specifically the way you can save money by choosing regular form collision over broad form.
The question is, how much does regular collision save? Well, I quoted this out for me and my vehicles, and the 6-month savings was $91. That's $182 for the year.
First, we need to know what the difference is between regular form and broad form. And the only difference is, with broad form, if you're not at fault in an accident, you do not pay your deductible, whereas with regular form collision, you do. There's a loophole though in Michigan insurance, and that loophole is mini tort or limited property damage liability. Mini tort is a $1,000 limit from the other person's policy, the at-fault driver's policy in an accident, to provide you with coverage up to $1,000 for your deductible and any more expenses. There are two issues though that we need to talk about. The first issue is if the other driver doesn't have coverage. If they don't have coverage, we can't collect against it. The second issue is a hit and run. Okay, so the only thing left to talk about is how to make this work. The first thing you'll have to do is call the police at the scene of the accident. We have to get a police report in order to prove who the at-fault person is. The next step is to gather all the information you can at the scene of the accident from the other driver, that being their policy number, their company, their agency name, and any contact information for that person that you can get. The third step is to go to a body shop that you trust and get a quote for your repairs. The final step is to turn all this information over to your insurance agent and let them guide you through the process. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give us a like, comment, subscribe, or whatever it is on the platform you're watching this on, and we will see you in the next video.